Apply tomato pack to make the skin bright and fair for all skin. This mask helps remove dead skin cells, dirt, and excess oil from your skin, leaving it soft and glowing. Take a 1 tomato. Tomato face packs can heal sunburns and remove suntan to give healthy, glowy, and flushed cheeks. Tomatoes are excellent to reverse tanned skin. These ingredients act as bleaching agents and will ensure a glowing skin. Tomato for face is known to be an elixir for several skin problems and works wonders to get fair, brighter, and rejuvenated skin instantly. Cut a ripe tomato in half. It helps remove dead skin cells, dirt, and excess oil from the skin, leaving it soft and glowing. Grate the half tomato. A tomato face mask is an excellent way to exfoliate and brighten your skin. Tomato face packs and face masks for all skin problems. Tomato face pack to get fair, spotless, glowing skin. Tomato, the secret of beauty. Tomato helps in enhancing the beauty. Tomato is known for its excellent cleansing, detanning, and brightening properties. This mask works towards tightening the skin and giving you a megawatt glow. Turmeric and tomato face mask for glowing skin beauty. Its antiseptic properties also remove pimples and acne, making it a home facial for glowing skin and a face pack for oily skin and pimples. It helps in reducing your pore size and will give you a tighter and smooth-looking skin texture. It also helps replenish the skin's natural texture by removing the dead skin cells. Tomato is abundant in vitamin C. Its face pack makes the skin wrinkles-free, lightens skin, and helps away fine lines and pigmentation. This tomato DIY cleanses the skin deeply and removes blackheads and dead skin like magic. Using tomato for the face can really help in keeping it moisturized. Tomatoes are rich in antioxidants which help in toning and brightening the skin. Pinch of turmeric. Soothes the skin. Turmeric is known for its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. Applying a turmeric face pack nourishes the skin with essential phytonutrients, antioxidants, and moisture, giving the face a glow and fresh. Turmeric is considered to be a potent ingredient for skin lightening and revealing glow. Mix well. Using turmeric may help fade dark spots, brighten your skin. Turmeric may also revive your skin by bringing out its natural glow. Glycerin, few drops. Glycerin lessens the size of your pores and works as an excellent toner, especially for oily skin. Glycerin has been shown to reduce the incidence of acne. Glycerin contains hydrating and antifungal properties that help soothe dryness and reduce psoriasis, dermatitis, and eczema. 1 spoon apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is an effective way to cleanse the skin of bacteria and debris. Mix well. A quick toner is a great way to restore the skin's natural defenses, remove excess dirt, and help fight against acne. Honey, 1 spoon. Honey deeply moisturizes and hydrates the skin. Honey diminishes the signs of premature aging. Honey is an effective pore cleanser and gentle exfoliator. Honey lightens scars and hyperpigmentation. Honey fights acne and breakouts. Tomato and honey combine for a revitalizing facial treatment. All of these ingredients act as bleaching agents and will ensure a glowing skin. Using tomato for the face can really help in keeping it moisturized. Tomatoes are rich in antioxidants, which help in toning and brightening. Apply it evenly all over your face. This mask works towards tightening the skin and giving you a megawatt glow. For spot treatment, this soothing, dark spot-busting face mask works wonders for treating acne scars. It also helps replenish the skin's natural texture by removing the dead skin cells. Let sit for 20 minutes. Use this twice a week for best results. Remove the mask with the help of a soft sponge.